If you're a retiree or someone nearing retirement, you've likely heard about precious metals IRAs, but you may not know how they work or how they can be a game changer for your financial future. Precious metals IRAs are a strategic way to protect your wealth, especially in uncertain times. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about precious metals IRAs, from how they work to why they're a crucial tool for American retirees. And stick around, because I'll share a strategy that could dramatically change the way you approach your retirement savings. Before we dive into the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their assets today. You don't want to miss this one. Now let's get to it. A precious metals IRA is exactly what it sounds like: a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical precious metals such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, instead of traditional assets like stocks and bonds. This is a powerful hedge against inflation, market volatility, and even currency devaluation. If you're concerned about the market, you've probably noticed how traditional IRAs and 401ks are vulnerable to economic shifts. With the unpredictable stock market and the constant fluctuations in bond yields, it can feel like your retirement savings are in constant jeopardy. This is where precious metals IRAs shine. Unlike paper assets, gold and silver have stood the test of time as stores of value. They aren't as susceptible to the same risks as stocks, so your savings are better protected in the face of an economic downturn. One of the biggest advantages of a precious metals IRA is its ability to diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to minimizing risk. If all your assets are tied to the stock market, you're exposing yourself to a single point of failure. But by adding precious metals, you're giving yourself a buffer against market swings. And for retirees or those planning to retire soon, it's essential to protect your wealth with options that don't carry as much risk. Precious metals IRAs are not just a safe haven. They offer the stability that's critical in these later stages of your financial life. Now, if you're thinking about alternatives to a precious metals IRA, let's take a quick look. You might be considering real estate or bonds, but both come with their own set of risks. Real estate, for example, can be very illiquid and there are constant maintenance costs. Bonds, on the other hand, offer lower returns and are highly sensitive to interest rate changes. Both of these options may not provide the same security and growth potential as a precious metals IRA, especially in today's uncertain economic environment. Precious metals, however, are much easier to liquidate and are globally recognized for their value. And here's an important point. If you've been relying on traditional IRAs or 401ks to grow your wealth, you might have seen the effect of inflation eat away at the value of your savings over time. But when you invest in gold or silver, you're purchasing assets that have a proven history of keeping pace with or even outpacing inflation. Precious metals have maintained their purchasing power through centuries of economic turmoil, which is why they're considered the ultimate store of wealth. If you're still wondering if precious metals IRAs are right for you, here's the big takeaway. This is especially important for retirees or those approaching retirement with more than $100K in their IRA or 401k, or even $5 in savings. As you near retirement, preserving your wealth is paramount, and the volatility of traditional investment vehicles can put your savings at risk. A precious metals IRA can be the key to maintaining the security of your retirement funds. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, it's simple. The first step is to partner with a trusted provider who can help you set up a precious metals IRA and guide you through the process. Whether you're interested in gold, silver, or a combination of metals, these companies can help you purchase the metals and store them securely in an IRS-approved depository. And don't worry, if you're unsure about the process, I've got you covered. If you're ready to learn more, make sure to check out the free guide linked below to get all the info you need to make a sound decision. Remember, if you're a high net worth retiree or planning to retire soon, now is the time to secure your wealth. Precious metals IRAs are the best option for protecting your savings from market turbulence and inflation. Don't wait until it's too late to safeguard your financial future. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide today. It's the first step to securing your future and making sure your wealth lasts well into retirement. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.